it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Season 2, Craftmas episode 34, and we have a fun one for you. I'm going to go over how to make custom gift bags out of just inexpensive gift bags that you can get at Dollar Tree and leftover vinyl. Now, if you'll give me a moment, I'll show you how we made these. So as you can see, I have my baby gift bag laid out and I have my vinyl already cut. Now, if you are a $10 or more a month patron, you get access to these automatically. I am using the Oracal hot pink and light pink, or it may be just pink. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the backing, and you can decorate your gift bags with any piece of scrap vinyl you've got. I mean, you don't have to use a new piece. Okay, so there we go. Go ahead and squeegee that down. And what's cute about this design is you can take and use it for a baby boy or a baby girl, or you can do something that is very gender neutral. So now we're going to remove the backing off of that, if it wants to come off. There we go. Now we're going to lay that out. I'm just going to make sure I can see what I'm doing. There we go. Pretty good. Squeegee it down. Remove the transfer tape. And now you've got a custom gift bag. Now, if you'll give me a moment, I'll go over everything we just did. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit that notification bell, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is every single day at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time during Craftmas. But I guess that's it for today, so we'll see y'all next time. Bye.